Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how you can fix your battery drain problem in your iPhone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, you have to open your settings and turn off auto updates if you have selected this automatic update. So this will drain your battery life and you have to fix it by turning it off. Then friends, you have to click on battery and here it is low power saving mode. If your battery is 10% or 5%, you can just enable it so it will not drain your battery faster. It will improve your battery life also. And in charging, you have to enable this optimize battery charging also, this feature. And simply have to press back and right here auto brightness. And here it is automatic brightness. You have to turn it off, and when it is enabled, it is automatically set according to the room temperature, and it increases and decreases the screen lighting system of your iPhone. So you have to disable it and you can choose manually from your control center. And these are the precautions you should do that to not to drain much battery life. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.